In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tabs in Copilot. To get started, open your Copilot interface and make sure you're in the chat area where you normally type your messages. This is the main place where you interact with Copilot, and it's also where you'll find the option to add tabs. If you're not seeing the chat box right away, just take a moment to navigate back to the main conversation screen before continuing. Once you're there, look for the plus sign next to the chat box. This plus icon is usually where extra tools or options are grouped, so if you ever want to expand what you can do inside the conversation, this is a good place to check. Go ahead and click the plus sign to open the available options. After clicking it, choose the option labeled Add Tabs. This will take you to the section where you can manage which tabs you want to include. Tabs can help organize your workspace and make it easier to access the features or views you use most often while working in Copilot. If you're customizing your setup for the first time, this is a simple way to make the interface better match how you work. From here, select the tabs you want to add, take a second to review the available choices, and pick the ones that make the most sense for your workflow. Depending on your version of Copilot, you may see different tab options, so just choose the ones that are relevant for what you need. It's a good idea to be intentional here, since adding only the most useful tabs can keep your interface clean and easy to navigate. Once you've selected your tabs, confirm your choice. This final confirmation step applies the changes and adds the tabs to your Copilot interface. After that, you should be able to see them available in your workspace, ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully added tabs in Copilot. As a quick tip, if you ever want to adjust your setup later, you can usually return to the same plus menu and update your tab selection again. Keeping your interface organized can save time and make your experience smoother overall. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add tabs in Copilot.